Alright, we're going to go check on the hives. It's been about a day. It's much warmer today. And it looks like we have quite a bit of activity. So I think the installations went well. Let's start over here. Oh my goodness, look. Look at all those bees. They're going in and out. I would say we definitely have bees living in that hive. Let's go to the next one. Oh, this one looks good. Looks good. And here's the third one. Everybody's kind of moving around. So I'd say we're looking good. So there they are. We got 3 hives. Rocking and rolling, kids. 24 hours later, I would say we're in good shape. We'll check on them tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to take out the packages and put the rest of the frames in. Okay? All right.